Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to sign up for Forever 21 on your smartphone. It's a very simple process and we're gonna go through how to do it. Let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and head over to your preferred web browser. Once you're in your browser, navigate to the Forever 21 website. In the website of Forever 21, here you can see the profile icon at the top. Tap on it. You'll be prompted to the login screen. Now in order to sign up for a new account, here you can see the create account section. Tap on it. Now you'll need to fill in your personal information. Enter your first name, last name, email address, your phone number. Select your birthday. Let me do that quickly. And also create a strong password. Make sure your password is very secured and easy to remember. And include a mix of letters, numbers and special characters to make it strong. Reconfirm your password. And now if you scroll down, here you can see the create account option. Tap on it to create account. And there you go, you've successfully signed up for a Forever 21 app on your smartphone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.